Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Cricbuzz no internet connection solve issue. As you can see, if you use this application, Cricbuzz is about a cricket, and showbuzz or showbiz, and you have a problem with the internet connection. It's very easy. Just go back to your home page and hold the Cricbuzz icon app and then try to clear the cache. Here in the storage usage, you can clear the cache, and if you need, you can clear data here, but make sure you back up your account. And also in the data usage details, make sure you turn off this mode. Disable mobile data, you can turn it off. Disable Wi-Fi, you can turn this off, or you can try to adjust. Maybe you have a problem with the mobile data, you can turn on or turn this off. You can try and vice versa. And also make sure your date and time on your Android phone is the India time, or make it automatic by location. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so text button below. See you in the next video.